Can you have laser hair removal while on steroid? Every time I talk to people about getting laser hair removal, I often ask them whether they are on any medication or not. One of the major medications I question them about is a steroid. So, can you have laser hair removal while on steroids? Is there a relationship between steroids and laser hair removal? A few studies have been conducted on how steroids and laser hair removal interact. To my understanding, steroids don't affect laser hair removal. Lots of people on steroids get laser hair removal without any complications. But if steroids increase your photosensitivity, the medications could affect you. Can you get laser hair removal while on minocycline? Generally, minocycline is not considered to be contraindication for laser hair removal. However, this tetracycline antibiotic is known for leading to photosensitivity. In other words, it makes your skin to be more sensitive to light. Hence, if your skin is exposed to laser light, it can lead to some discomfort and pain. Based on my understanding, you can get laser hair removal while on minocycline as long as you are ready to deal with the pain involved. Besides, we don't have enough research in this area, so I will suggest that you should be cautious when getting laser hair removal while on minocycline. Instead of taking a risk with laser hair removal, I would recommend that you go for Homily IPL hair removal handset. This easy-to-use handset only uses intense pulsed light, which is not as powerful as laser light. Hence, this tool cannot cause photosensitivity or any other risk associated with laser hair removal. What happens if you get laser hair removal while on antibiotics? From my research, antibiotics can boost the sensitivity of your skin to light and heat of the laser. However, antibiotics come in different forms. Some products may lead to a few symptoms, whereas others may not do so. In a few cases, antibiotics may cause you to experience some sort of irritation, skin redness, and discomfort. Of course, these symptoms are only going to be temporary. But if you cannot cope with these minor issues, I advise you to wait for at least 2 weeks after taking antibiotics before having laser hair removal. Can you have laser hair removal while on minocycline? Minocycline is a popular antibiotic. It interacts with laser hair removal in the same way that minocycline does. I have met a couple of people who had laser hair removal while on minocycline. For some of these individuals, they didn't face any challenges. However, a few others experienced some pain before of the increased sensitivity to light that minocycline caused. Nevertheless, minocycline can make laser treatment more painful than it would have been. Like I always do, talk to your laser hair removal technician about the medications you are taking before getting laser hair removal. What happens if you use salicylic acid before laser hair removal? Many of us have used products with salicylic acid before. It is a beta-hydroxy acid that can serve as an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial agent. If you use salicylic acid before getting laser hair removal, your skin may be irritated. This does not only make the procedure discomforting for you, but it can also affect the results of laser hair removal. So just as you have to be careful of combining steroids and laser hair removal, I think you should also be cautious of salicylic acid and the procedure. Always ask your physician about the safety of the procedure. Can I get laser hair removal while on amoxicillin? Yes, you can have laser hair removal while you are on amoxicillin, but like other related medications, amoxicillin can increase your photosensitivity. In some people, having laser removal while on amoxicillin can cause mild burns, blisters, hyperpigmentation, and skin irritation. However, it may not cause any reactions in lots of individuals. Can you get laser hair removal while on prednisone? Prednisone is known as a corticosteroid that acts as an anti-inflammatory substance in the body. It is often used for allergic conditions, multiple sclerosis, arthritis, hormonal disorders, eye diseases, skin diseases, and many other conditions. There is a paucity of research on how these steroids and laser hair removal affect each other. However, my research shows that some side effects of prednisone can cause issues for people having laser hair removal. These effects include rash, increased acne, fragile skin, slowed healing of bruises, red blotches beneath the skin, and itching. I think that any of these side effects can aggravate the discomfort and pain associated with laser hair removal. Additionally, prednisone can cause increased hair growth in some individuals, so the medication can reduce how effective laser hair removal will be. If you are using prednisone to treat any condition, you can still remove unwanted hair. Homily IPL hair removal handset is the #1 you can use for hair removal when you are on any medication. It doesn't cause irritation, redness, or any other unusual reactions. What medications affect laser hair removal? Medications that can affect laser hair removal include non-steroid anti-inflammatory drugs like aspirin and ibuprofen. Some antibiotics and antidepressants such as Prozac can also affect laser hair removal, so I normally avoid these medications when getting laser hair removal, and I think you should do the same. Otherwise, you shouldn't hesitate to talk to your doctor before getting laser hair removal if you're on any medication. Can you get laser hair removal while on blood thinners? No, you should not get laser hair removal while on blood thinners. The thinners will make your skin sensitive to the heat and light from the laser. Over time, this will cause irritation, burns, and lots more. What medications to avoid during laser hair removal? Most steroids, blood thinners, antidepressant medication, anti-inflammatories can increase the risk of burns, blisters, irritation, and skin redness during or after laser hair removal. So unless you want to experience any of these side effects, you should avoid laser hair removal and consider buying Homily IPL hair removal handset. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, consider subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video.